I'm Dave, you're watching Dave's Taste Buds, and welcome back. Have I got a great episode for you today. Super easy, delicious pasta salad. It is the summertime. This is the perfect thing to bring to any summertime gathering, barbecue, cookout, whatever you want to call it, potluck, any reason that you need to pack up some pasta salad and bring it somewhere else, this is what you're going to want to bring. This is dill pickle pasta salad, so let's get into it. So I've prepped all of this ahead of time. So this is gonna be super simple. We're talking dice up some red onion, dice up some cheddar cheese, dice up some pickles, obviously set aside a little pickle juice, get your mayonnaise, your sour cream, cook off your pasta. Make sure your pasta comes out nice. This is the key. If you overcook your pasta, everything when you try to mix it, it's just gonna smash together and it's not gonna work. So get your pasta a little bit al dente, maybe a tiny bit more, and then get that cooled down. Drain it. I put it in the bowl. I hit it with a little bit of vegetable oil. I toss it so it doesn't stick, and I get it in the fridge immediately so it'll cool down. Every couple of minutes, I'll pop in there with a spoon, give it a stir. You just want to cool it down. Plus, you can't make this with hot pasta. So you got to get your pasta cooked off perfectly and cool down in the fridge. So we're going to start off with some of this rotini pasta. This is a pound. It's cooked perfectly. I like this for this pasta salad because it's got this nice ridges and it's all spiral. It's gonna really hold all of your other flavors, your ingredients. This was a whole pound. I think the recipe only calls for 12 ounces, so I'm gonna set some aside just because, I don't know, I don't want it to be too thin. So we got our 12 ounces of pasta. We're gonna go right in with our dill pickles. And don't worry about getting some of the juice in there because we're gonna be adding some juice after. Dill pickles, you cut up. It calls for cheddar cheese. I thought I had some. I don't. This is Colby Jack. It's also gonna be good. Use the cheese of your choice. Diced up red onion. I prepped everything ahead of time, so this will be nice and super simple. Diced red onion. Dice up your pickles, dice up some cheddar cheese, get your other stuff together, super easy. Mayonnaise goes right in. Sour cream, that's going in too. A little bit of Dijon mustard. Now all of the ingredients, the description below has all of it. Has the ingredients, has the recipes, has everything down below, so check it out. While you're down there, subscribe. A little bit of Dijon mustard in there, and a little extra on the pickle juice. And it doesn't get any simpler than that. It has the perfect little tangy taste to it. Now, I haven't added any salt or pepper yet. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to taste it and make sure it tastes exactly the way we want. We've got to make sure that it's got perfect salt levels, which is going to bring out the flavors of everything else. You know what else? Maybe for color, I'm going to sprinkle in a little parsley in here too. Let me grab it. Little dried parsley. Of course, fresh parsley would be nice too. I don't have any. Yeah, I think that is gonna do it. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. We're gonna add a little bit of pepper to that. Gonna give this a quick toss. And when I say that's it, that's it. It's that simple. It's got everything you want right in one place. You could also add chicken to this if you wanted to. You could do a lot with this. That's another thing that's so great about it. Dill pickle pasta salad. You can get that done once your prep is done, no time. Now, obviously, wrap this up, put it in your fridge. It's good for 3 days. So leave it in there. It's gonna pull all the flavors together as it sits, but you know what? I'm not waiting for that. I'm sure not. I'm gonna get a little cheese, a little piece of pickle. I got a little onion on there. When you taste it, it almost immediately transports you to sitting outside on a deck, sitting in a picnic table, nice warm sun, maybe a light breeze. Look I'm really painting a picture with this pasta salad. It's that good. You're gonna wanna make this dill pickle pasta salad. I can assure you of that. So I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much for coming on board. Go make this, like, subscribe. Do me a favor, shoot me a comment. Let me know where you like to eat your pasta salad outside. I wanna hear. YouTube's got another video right here that they want you to check out, so check that out. So like, subscribe, get ready to watch this other video, and once you're done doing all that, go cook something.